No one has watched more tutorial hours of me talking than this guy right here. Cameraman, he's literally listened to
thousands and thousands of hours
of my voice and editing, all for you guys. So today, we have decided to switch it up, and we're actually gonna put his wife in the chair, and he's gonna do the pedicure to actually see how much has he retained from all these thousands of hours.
I can't wait.
Of editing. Let's begin.
Wait, quick question. So like if I do a bad job, is my job on the line?
No, your job's to edit, but you should be really good.
I should be.
But
all right, let's do it.
And Zach, you might love her,
Oh, no.
but you're gonna need my cap.
I can't wait.
Dead skin cells. It ain't sexy no matter who you're sleeping with.
Oh, this, right. All right, so first thing first, there might be some smell. So you know what that means? Poto Expert foot and shoe deodorant. That's right, foot and shoe deodorant. So you just do a little misting, little odor, rub it in. Anyways, and she's a gym lady too, so she works out a lot. So I'm gonna try and sell this to her. Sorry, if I get really distracted, by the way, I'm looking at a gorgeous woman. So like, I might get just like, ooh, do some silly stuff. Once it's dried, we're gonna take a cuticle pusher. We got the Boss Lady pusher. Now some people aren't believers in pushing, but I know Erica is, and so I am too, because I have no skin in the game. So I'm just gonna push.
You have lots of skin in the game.
I have so much skin. Is that good? Oh yeah, pusher should be parallel with the nail, of course, which is I think what I'm doing. Should it be this easy?
You've watched this like 1,000 times.
I've never done it.
It doesn't matter, you've listened to it.
I know. All right, whoa, look at this funky person right here. Is this normal?
Are you tapping out already?
No, I'm just saying, is this normal?
Is what normal?
Like her to be way up there like that?
Oh yeah, it's usually overgrown. Yeah, remember we're just releasing. We're gonna use the bit to do that.
Oh, okay.
Allow the
So
bit
I'm just pushing
to do the work.
All right.
You're not pushing, you're releasing.
I'm releasing. Now you're gonna do all 10 toes first. But since this is a video, I'm not gonna do it. I'm just gonna do 5. Unfortunately, my model did cut her toes last night. Not her toes, her toenails, of course. And so I'm gonna be shaping. So they're not uneven, you know? Someone's gonna go in. So like, I'm just like rounding it, right? You want a natural look, right? Is that what you want? Do you want a natural look? Is this so am I doing it right?
What's your other option?
Well, some people don't want a natural look.
Unnatural, so.
Yeah, Emily's got a good, she has like a zombie thing she's into. Do I just do tiny little strokes? No, you do like long ones, but I'm really nervous.
I know, it was kind of painful, but that's okay. Let me see. You did good. How about this little thing right here? Can you get underneath it? Here, maybe put it underneath. Get underneath it.
Oh, underneath it.
Yeah.
Oh.
And do bigger strokes.
Bigger strokes.
Bigger strokes.
Some
See?
people have different strokes, but.
Yeah, let's see your big strokes.
It's just big strokes.
Get your big strokes. Or long strokes.
Next, we're gonna take Poto Expert callus softener and spray it all over the foot. Now, we're just gonna spray it on the toes. We don't spray the toes with the callus. All right, so next step, no. We're gonna spray the calluses. So like this guy right here, we'll spray it and rub it, I think. And then I don't see any other big calluses except this big one right here. Yeah, I'm gonna do the bottom side of the foot as well. Don't do all the foots. Right there, looks good. Good job. Wow, this is really calloused. We'll have to do some real serious work, and we will. So once that's all dried, I'm gonna take my bits out finally and do some work. A great was probably we're gonna do some cuticle work, right? Is that what you do first? Cuticle work first. So a great bit for this would probably be the long and lean. 5,000 RPMs in the forward direction. We're gonna start to get to work. Choke down my handpiece, and which way do I go? Everybody at home knows, and I know, of course, but I'm testing you. Which way do I go? Right. Oh, this way? To left. And I'm gonna go flat. Does that hurt? If there's
That's another foul.
You never ever
does
say
it
that.
hurt.
That
What's
was
your
that was
comfort?
testing everybody. You never say, does that hurt? But model, if there's any time you are uncomfortable, please let me know.
Oh, go flat, Zach. You can create rings of fire.
Like this?
Yeah, push into her proximal fold.
Oh my God. I am trying to make her look beautiful, which I don't have to do because she already is. I'm gonna go flat as
And you're pushing into it.
How do I
Pretend the bit is kissing her cuticle.
Okay. How much flatter can I get? Oh my gosh, did I spray it? Did I hurt you?
Did I hurt you?
All
Are you
right.
sleeping on the couch? Is that what you're concerned about?
I'm so scared.
Okay, see how you still have some right there? So push into that area right there. No, you don't need to start there. Just start where you still need to go, right there. Start in this area. Good job.
Push down her other hand.
This is hard, guys. I'm doing my best.
You're doing great.
All right.
Push in.
Let's take a look. Never blind file. I'm a big believer in not blind filing.
Good job.
You're doing good.
Let's take a look.
Wow. Look at that.
Look at that.
It's a nail.
All right.
Can I wiggle like this?
You can. Next one.
Next toe, we're doing
Flat.
it. Flat, so flat. And then you got to push into that fold.
Yep.
Get off all that dead skin cells.
Yeah, you don't have to keep going back to the same spot.
All right, this one's pretty messed up.
Yeah, so we might have to increase our speed or you're going to have to do more passes.
I'll do more passes. I'm too scared.
Don't be scared.
Turn it up. Gonna get nice and speedy in here.
Is that easier?
I don't know. Sure.
You're the authority. Wow, speed's your friend.
Speed is your friend, guys. Big believer. Beauty is not pain.
Okay. All right, now let's put your e-file in reverse.
All right, now we're gonna go in the reverse direction. In forwards now. Well, I was in reverse, so I should be in forwards, right? Which is the reverse direction.
Wait, you were supposed to start in forward.
Oh, you told me reverse.
Oh, I meant like the left side. Okay.
So now I was never in the reverse direction. That's a lie. I'm gonna go the opposite way.
See, it overfiled a little bit right there. That was at the beginning. See how much easier it is now? Keep it flat.
Oh my gosh.
Keep it flat and push into that fold.
I didn't want to cut her.
You already did. Good job. Push into the fold. And then do the fold. And then come down here. What are you thinking about right now, Zach?
I just don't want to cut my wife.
Aww. Emily, what are you thinking about?
Model, what do you think about that?
Keep it flat.
Ah, it's so hard to keep it flat.
I know.
Okay.
That's what he said.
I cut my client. I got a stipstick, a cut kit, stipstick swab. And so got in some water.
Make sure you say it's disposable.
It's disposable, so don't worry. And then I'm just gonna blot up that blood.
Yeah.
All right, what's next?
Wait here. Let's spray alcohol so they can
Spray.
see.
Yep, never blind file. Spray some alcohol. I'm a big believer in pushing towards to open up that pocket. And this feels like it would hurt or not feel good. We got this.
Is this a pop your collar moment?
No.
Dun, dun,
All right.
dun, 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 dun.
We're doing the unicorn bit, 10,000 in the forward direction. I'm gonna go right to left.
And you're gonna clean up the sinus area.
I'm just gonna clean up the sinus area. Wait, what? Is it the same thing? I'm going over the same area?
Yeah, you're cleaning it up. See where there's still some skin?
Okay, yeah. We still got some skin. I'm gonna be flat, right? Don't use the point.
No, you do use the point.
Oh, you use the point. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, get that stuff in the corner. Clean it out. Push in that corner. Yeah, right there. Clean it out.
Guys, that's like petting a kitty.
You sure you don't want to wear a hat?
No, man, I want to look cool. I'm pretty
What are we, in middle school again?
I'm pretty used to my wife's skin cells. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, that was good.
I'm actually not used to my wife's skin cells in my hair.
Wait, you didn't finish. Look at the debris
What do you
that's still
mean?
there.
Looks
Look at
great.
that. Push into it more. Oh my gosh. Get it.
There we go. Look at that, guys. I'm great at this. That's pretty good. I'm getting the hang of it.
Yeah, see? See it's coming out good?
When do you know when
I feel
you're
like
done?
I feel like you just had an aha moment.
When do you know when you're done?
That's a great question. Depends what you're trying to achieve.
What am I trying to achieve?
Well, that's number one thing. Before we file, we have to know what we're trying to achieve.
I'm
So,
just...
What are we trying to do? Get the dead skin cells off?
Yeah, get the dead skin. Oh my gosh.
And don't cut a bitch.
Don't cut my wife, please. Alcohol.
Right.
Now, always have an assistant do alcohol for you.
Luxury you're living in.
Oh man, sorry guys. Oh my gosh, what do I do with all these things? I got devices.
To this way.
I think these are good, except for this one where you got this cut.
That's okay. That was like your very first motion and you're getting on top of it. All right, what's next?
What's next? You get stabbed. Do I do deep cleaning with the hook? The excavator?
All right, Captain. Look, with the excavator.
Yeah, we're gonna excavate.
What do we gotta do?
Oh.
Wow.
Do you want to?
Like
do you want a
this?
souvenir? Yeah, get underneath there and clean out the
Oh
stuff.
my gosh. Emily, I know what color socks you use. That's a thing Erica says a lot.
Or if you have dogs.
You have any dog hair in here?
Does that hurt?
Does that hurt?
A little
Sorry.
tender?
It's okay.
All right, since she's a little tender, Zach, what should we do?
She put some poto
Okay.
on that
Move it
foot.
in. Oh, yeah.
Now you're allowed to use it on the nail.
Yeah. Yeah, that's perfect.
Nail spike.
Nail spikes. Bia, that's exactly why we use the excavator. Because what's going to happen with that little piece if it's not cut off, Zach?
It's gonna jam into her foot.
And then
she's
what
gonna
will
have
we need to do?
ingrowns.
And then what?
Then we'll need Onifix, guys. Oh boy, we did it.
Okay, we're going to feel for it again. Let's make sure we get
Yep,
it.
let's feel it, everybody.
You okay? So when you were pushing in, that's what she felt. No, that's good. We'll just use now.
Petty rasp. Rasp it. Rasp.
No, because it's on the outside.
It's on the outside. No petty rasp.
So just do the diamond file.
Diamond file. Oh gosh, this scares me.
No, job.
Oh my gosh. Does that hurt? I don't. We never say that. Don't say that, people.
What's your comfort level?
What's your comfort level? 1 out of 10? Give me a 10.
You know, if only we could say cameraman's only been with us for a few months, not a couple years.
All right. Well, does
Yeah.
that hurt?
Because look at the little hole right there.
You have a
That's
hole
from her
in your
nail.
foot.
That's from her nail. Can you guys see that?
All right, guys.
All right.
Well, that was great.
Yeah, not too bad. I give you
Not
about
too bad.
I give you like a C.
And next,
Plus.
I will take down this with the petty skin bit. You see this, everybody? Whoops.
Or should he could use the carbide.
I'm not using a carbide. That was my one thing. I am not using a carbide. I saw what you did. I've seen what you've done. I'm not doing. I'm gonna use the petty skin bit as long as it takes. But yes, petty skin bit on this guy right here.
I guess it's good to have boundaries.
All right, guys. 20,000 RPMs, forward direction, circular motion. Let's do it. So, like, you could use a carbide, but we're not going to because this makes me nervous.
Because you're the cameraman.
Yeah, and this is a distinct smell. My goodness.
Do you want a mask? Now maximize the bit.
Maximize the bit. Don't use the tip. Maximize.
Yeah, the whole body of
Now,
the barrel.
she's an athlete, so we will keep some of the callus there.
That's
We're
real.
just going to soften it.
Zach, that was perfect. Spoken like an Erica. Like an Erica student.
Yourself.
Yeah, do it with confidence. Just
I don't have any confidence. I'm doing my best. All right.
What?
And of course, we're gonna do the bottom of the. Sorry, I just touched the mic. Sorry. We're gonna do the bottom of the foot. Hard skin, callus. I'm feeling for callus. Feeling for callus. There's a callus right here. Let's get rid of that or soften it. You know what to do.
You know it.
You know what to do, guys. You're just laughing at my...
So why do you keep touching it with your hands?
To feel it for heat. I am feeling for heat by touching her foot. Oh my gosh. Okay.
You got this. This is the easy part.
All right. And I think with that, we're done, guys. Model, how did I do?
What about the foot massage?
Oh, yeah. Foot massage. So, for her, she's got some dry, cracked skin, so we're going to use, of course, the Poto Expert dry and cracked skin foam. Let's do it. It's not skin foam. It's the dry and cracked skin. Are you ready, model?
Yeah.
I like to use a tiny bit. I used a dime-sized amount. A golf ball? Holy cow, a golf ball. That's a golf ball, right? And you just kind of slather it on. Now, what's special about this is not occlusive, right? So you can let the feet breathe,
Good job.
right? And that's important. Don't put Vaseline on your foot. That's crazy talk, guys. No, you need the special product like Poto. It's got the lipoids, the lipids, got the nice lipids. You know, get one between the feet, toes. These are toes, guys. These are not feet. In between her feet would be air. That's silly. So anyways, yep, put that on. Good to go. Wow, these are so smooth. These are like a brand new foot. All right, guys, how did I do? Erica, do you want to come check this out? See how I did? Okay, yep.
All right. First, I want to tell you I appreciate your vulnerability that you practiced today. Good job.
Yay!
All right, let's take a look. So toenails were cut by our model, but you did a really good job removing the spicula, and now there won't be any pressure there. Nice job.
Good.
You did a lot of cleanup. That's good.
Yeah,
See
look
right
how
here?
dirty that used to be.
I don't know if it was dirty. It just had dead skin cells.
Yeah, sure.
A little bit of overfiling right there.
boy.
See that?
Yeah.
And I know you nicked it right there.
Yep.
Just a little bit. See how you went up on top of the skin
Yep.
versus staying on the nail plate?
Yep.
It's okay.
What are you gonna do?
Right there. A little bit more cleanup, shaping. It's kind of painful watching you
Shape?
with a hand file, but we'll work on it. I think overall, Zach, I would be very impressed.
Would you? Would you honestly, if I worked? I mean, for a...
And you did good here.
Yeah, look at
Took
that.
that down.
I did a good job on the...
Feel? A little crusty right here. Do you wear Birkenstocks?
No.
No. Right there. Right on that edge, right there.
Well...
I say overall, I would give you a B.
A B! Hey! Hey, passed. What else can you ask for? Oh, thanks.
Model has a feel.
Great.
Now, you ready for a gel polish application?
Goodbye!
Yep, I feel the same way. So, if you guys want to see more content like this and what else cameraman can do, how about a dry mani?
Sure.
Oh, I love that attitude. If you want to see more of this, then like and subscribe, and we'll teach your partner how to do nails.